8 oops to avoid to feeling overwhelmed or becoming a Bridezilla. Before signing up on wedding apps, websites, and making your inquiries, create a separate email so you can keep your personal and wedding planning communications organized. Take your time to do your research. Get inspired on the web to create your perfect fit. And save time narrowing your options. Even if you're an old school or a tech lover, choose one method of information storage and stick to it so you don't scatter your data. Either way, always keep a file with the important hard copies. A wedding consultant will guide you in the best direction, making sure that you're spending your money wisely and not creating a higher cost later on. Keep memories and have fun. Take pictures, videos, and keep souvenirs from this journey. Don't settle for anything but your dream wedding. And don't be afraid to break traditions. It is okay to have a first look, to have a cocktail-style wedding, and not to have a seating chart. Open a cash rewards credit card and use it for the wedding expenses. Always remember the reason why. Don't get caught up on the small details and waste your energy on that.